Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we are on our video for my entry for the USACC group build, the Unified Scale Auto Content Creators Group for 2023/24 because it ends in, January 14th, I believe. So yes, so I am doing the ultra classic cruiser, nostalgic F100 pick 'em up truck. I see a lot of you guys are doing this kit, so very cool. This thing is like very popular out there. There's a lot of these things circulating around, and I'm sure it's been re-released like 15 times or whatnot. And I see the panel wagon is also included in this build, so that's very cool. The kit was picked out this year by Matthew over at Model Car Videos. So Matthew, cool choice on that. Like you mentioned before, it's an easy kit to obtain, so it wasn't something that's kind of out of everybody's reach. That was really nice. That way everybody can get a chance at it and go from there. I'm sure by the end of this, they will be hard to come by, because that's usually how it goes. I didn't have one of these in my stash, so I got a hold of my good friend Tony Lancer. I knew he had one over there. I've been to his house a few times, and I thought, dude, I remember seeing one. I had to give him a call, like, man, you want to get rid of that kit? You want to let that one go? Tony hooked me up with this, so Tony, appreciate that, man. I really do. So this is an open kit. It's an open box. It's a very worn box, a very welcoming box. But you know what? It's not what's on the outside. It's what's in the box. So we have a bag and tagged F100 body. Everything's all good to go. All the goodies are inside. So we will let the fun begin. I am not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Color-wise, engine-wise, wheels, any of that kind of stuff. So right now, I don't know what I'm doing with it, but I'm sure I'll come up with something. I do like it gives you the fuel-injected 5-liter. Probably not going to put that in there. I do have an idea, like, that's totally the opposite of what you think of putting in it, but just because. So we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do with that. And yeah, the idea just came to me even more. So I guess you'll see in the next coming video what it might be. So the ideas are just swirling right now. I'm already coming up with something that I think would look pretty cool. Just got to figure out how to do it. So other than that, like I say, future videos to come. And I believe we're going to all wait and do our final video at the end of the time frame for this. And, you know, I really like this. Really cool. I got into this last year. We all did the Plymouth, and it was such a cool thing. And I really like that, you know, just to sit back and watch everybody else's creation on the same kit. That is so cool about this group build, you know, just to see what everybody else's ideas are with it. So like I said, this is my video for that, for the entry, and hope to see you guys all out there. And looking forward to watching some of those videos, because it looks like this should be a pretty cool one. So once again, appreciate you guys watching the channel, checking out everything, and going from there. So we will see you on the next build, and you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.